Hey guys, today I've got a Kenmore Elite refrigerator. It's French door, obviously with the freezer on the bottom. It's got double doors. Before I go opening all that up and showing you how everything works here, I wanted to show you first the water and ice, that they work perfectly. So we've got it set, let's go ahead and do ice first. Okay, we'll switch this over to crushed. Excellent job there. Switch to water. And that way, you know, everything there works perfect. We got the two different kinds of ice in the water. Very easy to switch. If you hold this here, it'll lock out these controls, so none of this stuff will work. It's great if you have kids, smaller kids. So real quick, I'll grab my temperature gun and show you the temperatures on the inside are right where they should be. And then I'll kind of go over some of the features. I always like to show off the outside. A couple of little moving marks here, kind of hard to see. And I don't know if that can be buffed out or not. I just kind of go over them, sanitize and clean them. But really didn't seem to be any dings or anything like that. There's one tiny little ding, if you can see it here. Beyond that, this thing is in excellent condition, inside and out. And like I said, I'll show you the temp and then I'll show you around on the inside a little bit. Alright, now I've got my surface temperature gun. Right in between those two red dots, you're going to see it takes a surface temperature measurement, about 76 there. Whatever I shine it on, it's going to change a little bit here, so go ahead and open this up. Shoot it right inside the fridge there. You see as I move it around here, it's a little bit colder, and I believe I've got this set to about 36. It's about where it should be, so you can see that's good to go. Nice and cold, just like it's supposed to be. Go ahead and open this up. Shoot that down in there. You can see it's about -6, and I believe that's also what I have it set to, and you've got 3 drawers down here. So I've got a frozen bottle of water there. Of course, this will all be plugged in for you to check it out. You can stick your hands in there and you'll be able to see everything working. So now that you know that the temperatures are all good to go, that it's cooling and freezing like it's supposed to, I'll show it off just a little bit. You've got the shelves on this side, ice maker on the inside. You see it's got some ice in there. And plenty of room on the inside here. These drawers, everything works. It's in like new condition. Water filter up here. All your controls across the top here. There's the tag, which I believe I've got a picture of that in the ad. And then on this side here, you can push to access from this side, or like I showed in the picture, if you push this button, then you have access to it without actually opening the fridge. So it's called a reach through, so you can reach right in here and grab your condiments, drinks, whatever, and more storage on the door here as well. Then down here, you've got the deep bucket down here. You've got some storage here, 1 and 2 drawers with plenty of extra space there. So there you have it. I'll get this listed up here, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Go ahead and read through the ad too. Tons of information in there as well. Thanks for watching this video. I do appreciate your time. Y'all have a great day.